What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just finished this awesome breakout build for Shane. He's brought it up to me from Brisbane to do this build. He wanted big cubes and a lot of noise. So today we've gone with the 131 cubic inch kit from Screamin Eagle, and I've opted to go for the CR483 camshaft. Now the reason I've gone for the camshaft choice there is Shane loves the look and sound of the V&H Big Radius pipes. Now because he wanted an awesome idle sound too, that's exactly why I chose the 483. A lot of you guys know that cam does have that idle that a lot of you folks are after. So today's combo, I'm really excited about how it's going to come together because I know the idle's going to be good sound, and this thing will produce an awesome amount of torque from the get-go and carry right through to the mid-range. So let's get into it, folks. We've got a lot going in here. We've got a S&S flywheel. We've got some air ride suspension. We've got a lot of other stuff to do too. Probably a lot of it we probably won't cover in this video because I want to keep it about performance rather than accessories and things. So I may do a video on that later on, but for now, let's get into this build. guys, I'm back in the dyno here. This thing is ready to come up here now. It's been through all the heat cycle process, all the warm-up stuff that I go through. So for those of you who haven't seen my stuff before, you will know there's a whole procedure and process that I go through to warm these things up before I get them on the dyno. It has all been warmed up and all that sort of thing. But guys, I will just run through. I did do a baseline on this thing. So we'll jump up there and we'll take a look at the graph to see exactly just how much power this thing made as a 117 with the V&H Big Radius on there. So we'll go up there and take a look at that. So this thing, guys, it rode in here making 95 horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of torque. Now you can see it's quite a nice looking graph, just a basic stock looking graph as far as a Harley's concerned. Nice flat torque curve you can see at the top there, and again, built-in speed limiter, just factory because it hasn't been tuned. Pulling up there at just over 5,200 RPM. So right, so that is what it is there as far as the stock configuration was concerned. It's of course now a 131 with the 483 in there, and yeah, let's get this thing up on the dyno here and see what it makes. Have a look at that result, folks. What a massive amount of torque early on. Check this out here. At 2,000 RPM, we are making 142 foot-pounds of torque. And from there, it's just a beautiful, solid graph all the way through, right to the mid-range there. What do you make it? Peak torques at 3750 at 156 foot-pounds of torque. That is huge torque. Guys, if we compare this to the baseline, so check that out, guys. What a massive difference. This thing is going to feel like it's on steroids because it, well, essentially is. It's got that 131 in there now, with that 483 cam. It sounds great. It has got the perfect amount of torque. Shane said to me he loved those V&H pipes and he loved how they sounded, and they sound even better now out of this with this 483 there. But guys, that result is exactly what I wanted for Shane, because I wanted that huge torque in early, nice, right in the mid-range. That's exactly what he's after, because he's not really wanting to rev this thing out and carry on. He's not really chasing those big high horsepower numbers. I'm about to take this thing for a test ride myself before I do a few checks on it, and then I'm giving it straight back to Shane. He's going to take it for a ride, and we'll get his first-hand thoughts of the bike and what it's like. So let's dive straight into that. What do you reckon of that?
Oh, awesome.
Give you a fright?
Awesome. Love it. He's real good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Mate, I would encourage anyone to get this kit.
Yeah,
100%.
I remember when I was talking to you about it, and when I thought, when you said what you wanted to do and the pipes that you had, because you didn't want to go away from those pipes, which is fine, but when I decided we'd do the 483, I knew that combo was going to be exactly what you wanted. So
well, I'm more than happy.
that's awesome, mate.
So good.
Yeah.
Instead of kind of,
It looks so good with those turbine wheels. You got the 23 inch on the front there. Yeah, it looks so good.
but man, that engine is that's muscle. That is so good.
Awesome, mate. Awesome. Glad you're happy.
You've done an excellent job. Excellent job.
Well, thanks for checking out today's video, folks. I had a great time building this bike for Shane. Shane is more than happy with how it's all come together. He loves the bike. Little camera shy there, but that's okay. A lot of people are. We don't like sticking GoPros in people's faces after they've just had a test ride on their bike. So thanks for at least chatting to me there on camera for a bit, Shane. I loved how this thing came together, mate, and I really enjoyed the build. So thanks for bringing your business here, mate. And thank you to all you folks for sticking around to the end and watching it. Really appreciate it. See you next time.